Hello everyone. So last month my car flooded and unexpectedly I was there stuck around 10, but I noticed something fishy about the road. So that's the thing. I saw a couple of those falling apart, and now I'm gonna see how much do I collect from here. So guys, I'm not gonna take them, I'm gonna see how much do I found from here and gather everything. Why no one notice? Because there are a lot coming apart from there. I don't know why they don't take care of this. Wow, there is like a lot of them. Look, wow. Who is responsible for this? I don't know. This side looks okay, I don't see anything, but the other side is pretty much coming apart. There's a lot of them, guys. A lot of them. This is so guys, all of them I found only from this one, this road barrier. I don't know, guys. And this is New Jersey Patterson. I don't know what to do with it. I'm gonna just leave it here because it's not my job to do, you know. Or maybe I'll call the local police department and let them know. Or I don't know if it is really necessary or something, but this is so much. Someone should be noticing this one. Anyway, guys, today I'm gonna say bye, and hopefully if anybody see and take care of this, and I'll be happy to know. Thank you so much again. Goodbye.